how to download and install OBS Studio. So it's very easy. So what you have to do, just go to Google Chrome and type OBS Studio, download, and enter. Now download OBS Studio on the top, just select this, and here you will see download OBS Studio, and now select your operating system. So here is the installer for Windows. Just select download the installer, and now you will see here it's downloading. It's already started, so you have to wait to it to be finished, and installation is finished now. Now you have to open the folder. You have to open this file. Now a prompt is here. It's asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Now tab yes. So now it's asking, welcome to OBS Studio 30.0.2 setup. Yes, tab next. Again select next, and now select next. Installing. Completed. Now launch OBS Studio 30.0.2. so we will finish here, and we will see the shortcut icon in our desktop. So here's the shortcut icon. So it's working. Thanks guys.